Hi to everyone. So after a long time, I used to in the previous videos we have learned what is an AI tools and what is an no code tools. We have learned a lot of things. So recently, the Nxtwave team has conducted a workshop of AI generative tools. So let us learn, and I am very excited to share these uh, things which I have learned in this workshop. So uh, AI, what is an AI generative tools? Let us start with from that. So what is an AI generative? So AI generative is nothing but a super human intelligent. So human intelligent is, it should be contain and knowledgeable, it should contain a knowledge, and it has a capability to solve the problems, and it should have read minimum 1.5 billion books to 2.5 billion books, and it's contain a Wikipedia also. So this all the process which all having as a human intelligence, it is superhuman intelligence, is nothing but we are simply saying as a chat GPT. So we have lot of AI generative tools. First I would like to say step by step. First one is AI text generation. So we have AI text generation. If you want to generate a text, you can use a writer. So writer is a one of the AI generation of text, and you can use some of the Jasper and copy of AI. So this will a text generation of artificial intelligence tools. So next one is Dell E2. If you want to open a chat gpt, you will say a second phase of that button, Dell E2. So Dell E2 is a process which you want to create a movement. For example, it's one type of image generation. If you want to create a beach along with a coconut tree, so the image creation is it will in the place of a beach and a coconut tree. So Dell E2 is a artificial generative tool. It will use to uh, co- image uh, collaboration. So next we have video generation. So we have a video generation of artificial intelligence tool, is nothing but picture and deep brain and runway machine learning. If you want to create a video by if you should type some videos like a palm tree along with a tiger, it will create a video. So this is a one of the AI tool that will use to create an artificial intelligence generative tool, and it will create a videos also. So you should know about this. And next we have an artificial intelligence speech generation tool. So artificial intelligence speech generation tool, some of the examples are murfa and filky. So these are the, it will create, if you want to type the text, it will create a speech. So this is the one of the purpose of AI tool. So next we have artificial intelligence music creation. So it's as a one of the greatest tool. If you want you should import the any music file, or if you your favorite song, you can change the tune of that instruments, like flute or a guitar or some of the flutes. If you want to change that instruments, you can change there by typing the text, and it will generate it, and it will give a proper tuning which you want, like mostly of that instrument. So this is the one of the changing of artificial music generation. Next we have artificial generation of movie creations. So by using a GitHub Copilot, we can generate a, we can create a small movies. It is used for purpose of generating a movies, um to create a, some of the scenes also. They used to use this tool. So AI generative, like some other we have a sync also one of the movie generation AI tool, and durable also one of the AI generator of your tool. Next we have a framer. To build a static website application, we used to use a framer. So framer, and along with, if you want type anything, like I want to print I want a photophilia website. So if you want a photo filler website, you go to the framer website and you can create a photo filler website. So this is one of the AI generative tool. And next we have same process, we have again more tools, Wix ADI and hostings. This is also one of the website application to build. Next, so what are the companies they are investing for this, like in ChatGPT and OpenAI's. So nearly for the ChatGPT, Microsoft had invested $10 billion for the ChatGPT for the OpenAI, for the company of OpenAI. So next, and like this, Elon Musk has been invested a $50 million for the OpenAI artificial intelligence tool. For is nothing but a Meta. So Meta is owned by the Elon Musk, as we know. Next, according to the survey of Bloomberg, so in the future, generative of artificial intelligence become a 1.3 million trillion 1.3 trillion market by the 2032 research. And it finds a Indian economy, if you want Indian economy, it's nearly 3.75 trillions. It's not joke. So AI generative tools are increasing more and more in future also. So this is a very important tools. Next, I would like to speak about our build in build projects, so in the workshop. So next, how the chat gpt is working, and what is the behind its side to work. So this is the main thing I used to say that. So first, what is an some nut bolts, we have to start with nut bolts. Nut bolts is nothing but a part of chat gpt encoders which they are using generally, like in Bose you are so this is generally using an encoders inside the chat gpt. So what is next, we have to start with a LLM. So what is an LLM? LLM is a what of the nut bolt. So LLM is nothing but large language model. So first of all, what's in large is contain a number of parameters, nearly 1.5 billions to 4.5 billion parameters is contained. And next is a language. So it will, language is nothing but a text creation. If you which language you want to give, it will give a response of a self attention. This is an a language creation. Next is a model. So there is a model has a three parts. One is a weight, an architecture, and a parameter. So there will be RNNs and LSTMs, and there is transformer. So in models generally, ChatGPT, in the ChatGPT they used to use transformers. From these transformers, ChatGPT has been introduced. So what is a full form of the ChatGPT? ChatGPT full form is nothing but a generative pre-trained model. So have you know already, I think. So this is the one how to create an about an LLM. Next, this transform how ChatGPT, uh, it will, if your user will give an input, and that input send it to a transformer, and transformer gives an output. So in input there will be a encoders, and encoders will give to a decoder will give to an output. So this like the pretend models are working. So like for example, the pretend models like ChatGPT, Google Bet, and Lemma 2 is an from Meta company. So next we have, I want to say that about an Hugging Face. Hugging Face also one of the nut bolt. So this platform is introduced by the Meta. This is one type of machine learning community collaborated models of datasets and application. So many of the people in the Hugging Face, they used to research their paper, and they build a models and their applications. So and they used to create their profiles very strong. So next we have nutbolt is long chain. So long chain is nothing but a simplifying a application, and provides a higher level application user interface. It is used mostly in the chat gpt, and it also creates a Python library. So next we have an Gradio is nothing but an open source Python library. So we easily create by this using a Gradio machine learning models, and it is a it contain a very creative content and specified desired relevant. Next, next we have a Google collab. So Google collab is nothing but, I used to say with just one an example. If your mobile, if you have a mobile, so if that something is had been happened, so it's not working now. So if you want, if you not mobile is not working, where you are going, supposedly, if you are going, suppose if you are directly, we are going to a service, mobile service center, so they will check all those things. So like this, mobile service center Google collab also is working. So this is a role of the Google collab, means every code you are writing behind that, it will managed by the Google collab. So this is one of the process of doing Google collab. Next, if you want to clean a voice cloning, if you are voice cloning is nothing but, if you want to clone your voice, if you, you go in the website of voice cloning of AI generative tool, so you can just import your file of 30 seconds of your voice. It will take your pitch, and if you want to create some AI generative models like ChatGPT, and you will give a response in your voice only. So we have built one application of using a voice cloning. So we have built in two applications by using a radio machine learning model. So first one is a chat GPT like model, like we used to chat like and text messages. Next we have created a voice by using a voice cloning and using a radio. We have did a project that if I am giving to the any text, it will gives me answer like an in my voice. So by using this nut bolts and this AI generated tools, we have created two projects. So this project is very important in our future to learn many things. And I used to very heartfully thankful for the Nxtwave team for supporting their for supporting us to complete our projects. And thank you for that for the Nxtwave team. And I have learned, so I am very excited to learn these things. uh, thanks thank you so much for watching this video. Please do like and subscribe. Thank you.